Hey guys, welcome to Jay's unboxing channel, and today we have something really special again, like always. And I'm trying to put out back-to-back videos to boost my popularity, so just try to subscribe, guys. Come on, don't be dicks here. I'm just kidding. I have like a dark sense of humor. If you watch my other videos, you'll know. So enough about me. We have a off-white sneaker today, and that too the Mercurial that just came out. And I never get lucky on the sneakers app, and I moved to like fucking Maryland from Dallas, and I copped it in Maryland. Can you believe that? And in a hotel room. I literally tried to get it delivered to a Holiday Inn right here, and they just were like, yeah, you can have an off-white sneaker. And when I was hooking up like fucking several computers at my house in Dallas and trying to cop any of the sneakers in size 2, I didn't get nothing. So it's really about luck. Woo, man, I've never seen an off-white sneaker in my whole entire life. I've just seen them online. Okay, that's what we're talking about. So I mean, this is not as hyped as the other off-white sneakers right here, but hey, I like it. And I didn't get it in like a regular size 10. I got it in 11. I'm 10 and a half, but I was like, whatever, I'm just trying, and I'm not gonna get it. Oh man, this is orange. That's the first thing that comes to my mind. It's so bright. Oh man, so it comes with a boot bag right here. Should I open it? I'm not gonna wear it since it's not my size. So I'm trying to like keep it down dead stock, and I don't know how like the off-white dead stock thing works, so I don't wanna like mess with it too much. So it has that boot bag thing. No, it's not a boot bag thing, it's a boot bag, that's what. Ooh, hoo, hoo, boy, looks so good. Like shit. There you go, guys. Just look at the sneaker all around. If you guys want to buy it, you can buy it off StockX. It's a really good site. I mean, since you're just watching this video, I thought you'll know. Shit, I didn't. Okay. It has a off-white logo inside, saying logo, and these white dots are supposed to represent like a football and off-white collab. The other one looks the same, of course, because it's the same shoe. Don't be that. If I didn't show this shoe, they'll be like, hey, why didn't you show the other shoe? Bitch, it's the same shoe. Okay. And it has the classic shoelaces thing. Alright guys, this is just an unboxing. Get out of here. Thanks.